All right, we're taping. Go ahead, Mike. We're moving Tiny. Evidently, Tiny was not positioned correctly, so now she is being moved. One of these days, I'm going to learn how to position them when they're little. When I get real big. When I get real big. I don't see her moving yet. There she goes. She's moving now. She just moved.
Moved in a big burst.
Yeah, it did.
I moved again. Keep going.
Let me see. I don't see her slipping up or nothing.
This whole thing's sliding here.
What is?
The whole mat.
The whole mat sliding?
Yep.
Well, that's all right.
Yeah,
As long as the pumpkin comes back. All right, the mat's sliding. Go ahead. There she goes. She's coming back. She's gone about an inch, huh? Now 2 inches. I'm praying. I'm watching the kink come out of her. There's a big kink in the vine right here. I want to watch that kink come out. There's actually a crease in it. Okay, hold on a second. Let me see. Yeah, she's definitely moving. She's not moving. It's going to free up a lot of pressure. It's freed this vine up off. This vine here was stuck on there. Yeah, I say we might as well keep on going, because if she's going to get 1,900 pounds, it's got a long ways to go. You know what I mean? It probably should have been setting back an entire foot. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me see. Yeah, it's still bent forward. I don't know if it's going to completely come out. Would it?
Another click?
Yeah, give it another click. All right, that might be good right there. What do you think? What do you think, Big Mike?
Did that put a shock into the plant, just moving it like that?
No. The plant wouldn't even know. Either with the fruit. They don't have... Yeah. I mean, we moved it quite a bit, but I don't know how far do I dare go. This has still got a bend. This is bent. It's not because there's pressure on it. It's from being there so long.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But you can see... I'm going to go ahead and shut the video down. There's Tiny at 1,035 pounds. This morning it was 1,028, so I'm just roughly estimating. Moving the pumpkin back with a come along. So far, this is what we moved her back. If you see down there, the gap, we've moved it like 3 inches or more.